How to turn off Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, if you have enabled Do Not Disturb mode, then simply tap on the Do Not Disturb mode option you see there, and in the interface that you will be led to, simply tap on the Do Not Disturb mode option, and with this, Do Not Disturb mode will be disabled. So, this is how you can turn off Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.